Hey, what's up, guys? This is Dwight here at Retro Crypto YouTube channel. It's April 15th, 2024 at 8:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the good old US of A. Got a cool Cardano video for you guys. This is the most important video in the world. This is why you're here, because you're here for the tech, right? Even though I specialize in technical analysis. I'm just playing, guys. This could be a technical analysis video, and there's a few other things a couple cool tools I've located, and a few things I want to talk about. But before we do anything, I need you guys to hit the like button. YouTube will not distribute this video to fellow Cardonians, that's the term I'm picking, unless you guys hit that like button. So please hit that like button, and if we're lucky, they'll also distribute this video to people who have not really considered Cardano yet, and they really should. All right? Let's take a sec, hit that like button, and while you're at it, subscribe. Only takes 2 seconds to do these two functions, and you have no idea how much of a blessing it gives me. The previous video I did, I think I got like 50 likes. It was awesome, and I want to thank each and every one of you for that blessing. All right, guys, let's just dive right in here. But let me say my little spiel. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an ordinary guy out there on the internet with a passion for cryptocurrency. It's essential that you do your own research before making any and all financial decisions. All right, guys. One of the things I've noticed that I feel Cardano is lacking in this ecosystem is cool looking tools. You know what I mean? Like you go on other projects and they have things looking pretty cool. So I was frustrated. I wanted to up crypto bubbles for Cardano ecosystem, and I found it. And it's called app.ada.markets. And it gives you a little screen to see what's going on in the market right now. All right. So I just think it's a cool tool. It's a very quick way to get a quick glance at what's going on. All right. Now let's just dive right in. All right. Cardano is currently sitting at the number 10 market cap spot instead of number 11. It's back where it belongs in the top 10, which I am very happy to hear that, or see that, should I say. It's early, guys. I'm drinking my coffee here. And we keep this moving quickly. Bitcoin halving clock is at 4 days, 11 hours, 28 minutes, 54 seconds, and it's getting closer and closer. Make sure you guys are expecting a pullback. The pullback may have already been priced in with the recent pullback, but do not be shocked if there's a significant pullback when this occurs. All right, guys, it's just normal. You gotta pay to play, and don't panic. All right, all those people out there that panicked for that recent pullback, bad play. Red during a bull market means it's a great opportunity to buy. All right, now here's another cool tool I just located. This is eutxo.org. All right, it's basically it's part of Cardano Blockchain Explorer, and it literally shows you the transactions as they're happening. It's a really cool screen, but of course, my luck, I click on it and it shuts down. But yeah, basically it gives you the opportunity to watch the blocks as they form, and you can see how many transactions are actually taking place within the UTXO block system. So as you see right here, it says 7 transactions, but there's a lot more going on than just 7 transactions, guys. And this is a really cool tool just to watch Cardano working real time. And where's the next one? Here we go. What's going to drop? Not much. All right, we'll keep it moving. But you guys definitely want to check this one out. It's a little slow right now, but I mean, it was just pumping out transactions earlier. And we got to get away from the TPS mentality, transactions per second, and go with the UTXO, where everything is just, I'm probably using the wrong terminology, but bundled. Everything's bundled within one transaction. There's a lot more going on than people realize. All right. But right now, of course, when I'm doing a video, it's not that exciting. Make sure you guys check this out later. All right. Let's dive right into the technical analysis, guys. All right. Now, this is my forte. This is what I'm good at. All right. So right now, Cardano is on a downtrend. Now, that downtrend has been occurring since March 14th of 2024. Am I concerned about that downtrend? Not at all. Because Cardano is definitely going to hit, it's going to melt people's faces off, as Ben Armstrong used to say. The current local support level is at 0.4062. And that's the local support. It's not really a strong support. It's just the local support. Now, the strong support is at 0.2372. I hope we never see Cardano that low again, but anything's possible. 23 cents It could happen, but I don't foresee it anytime soon. Maybe next. No, I just don't. I really don't. That's how much I believe in a project. Now, looking at the Fibonacci retracement, if you're brand new to Cardano and you want to buy in from the most recent strong support level at the 61.8, that would say that Cardano is currently a good buy at 0.455, so 45 and a half cents, and we're only just a hair above it, so it's really in that range now, as far as I'm concerned. So for those of you that have not picked up Cardano and you've been thinking about it, it's right at that sweet spot. 61.8 is a perfect spot, but it's pretty dang close in my opinion. Let's jump forward here. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned that this strong support level was established on September 11th, 2023. Okay, moving forward, that should not be there. Let's leave that alone. All right, now let's take a peek at the market cipher chart here. This is a open source free version of Market Cipher that's called Vu Manchu. You can get it on TradingView for free, and I'll tell you how to read it as I'm going along. All right, so we had a change from previous trend on April 7th. That's this little triangle here, and then we had a bearish continuation on April 7th, a long signal on the 8th, and then a bunch of bullish continuations, a bearish continuation. Then we had a short signal on April 9th, a sell signal on April 10th, bullish, a bearish continuation on the 12th, another bearish continuation on the 13th. Looks like right now we're about to swing around. Now, if we go to the Vu Manchu B chart here, it should look more exciting. Let me make sure you can see it. All right, so the momentum is the blue, and this here is the trend of the momentum going in a positive direction. That's this little green line. So the momentum is moving northward in a positive direction. The cash flow right here is green, which is very positive, and the volume is yellow. So the volume is up, momentum is going in the right direction, cash flow is looking good. Now, this little yellow dot here indicates that you want to not make a trade, but that was yesterday. Today is looking very strong, honestly. Cardano is up 3.42%. Now, this channel right here, this is a long channel. So what you want, I would clearly list Cardano as a buy right now. Now, if we put it on the 2-hour chart, just because that shows more volatility, it still looks, the momentum is excellent. The volume is good. Cash flow is good. And this buy signal right here, channel is good. And we also have a change from previous trend. So Cardano is bullish across the board. Let's go to the next chart. Nope, don't need that one. And we take a quick peek at the exponential moving average. Exponential moving average has Cardano on a 4-hour chart, still in a bearish territory, trying to, it just barely peaked into the very bottom ribbon. So the 4-hour chart is definitely bearish with exponential moving average. But the 2-hour chart does have Cardano moving into that neutral territory where it has, I like to call it, bullish tendencies. All right, moving forward. All right, so Cardano is definitely bullish. If I weigh these charts out, currently is showing bullishness. Now, how long is it going to last? It depends on the whole market. Just got hammered over the weekend, as you already know. So we have to be patient and see what happens. One thing that did excite me a little bit today was that VYFI, I was talking about this project the other day, VYFI withstood the volatility of the market pretty well compared to others. And I'll rechart this to its current spot, and only dropped 4% from its bottom. So yeah, VYFI weathered this one very well. So maybe what VYFI is officially coming to life, and people are seeing the value in that project. I did that. I covered that on a previous video. I suggest you check it out. I'm officially back in VYFI. I'm back in the project. Yeah, there's no other words to worry about, and I'm pretty happy about it. Please, I want to be invited back into the Cardano community. So if you've watched this video this long, make sure you hit that like button and make sure you subscribe. And I'm going to prove to you how long I've been in this community. I was around when Charles Hoskinson and Chico Crypto were going to fight, and then that fell apart. Got another one for you. I was around when Charles Hoskinson was going to climb Mount Everest, and he started doing some hyperbolic chamber or something to get his body used to the code. But I've been around for a long time, guys, following this community. So please invite me in. But in order to be invited in, I need you guys to hit that like button, subscribe. I can't say it enough. And also leave comments. Tell me what you want me to cover. I need you to point me in the right direction. hey, you should be covering this project. Hey, can you do technical analysis on this project? Let's get the party going. All right. But until next time, stay Cadonians. All right. Peace out.